Do you want to know how you can log into your UTI Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your UTI Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for UTI Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of UTI Mutual Fund. Now, to log in, go ahead and write down your PAN number or your username and then write down your password. After you write down your PAN number and your password, go ahead and check your password, and then if it is correct, go ahead and click login. This way you can log into your UTI Mutual Fund account. If you want to log in using OTP, go ahead and click OTP, which is over here. So after you write down your name, go ahead and click OTP. And then you can see that if the username exists, you can click send OTP and an OTP will be sent to your email from which you can log in using OTP. If you want to log in for corporate, go ahead and click corporate login. It will take you to this page where you can sign up using the same process. I hope this video about how you can log into your UTI Mutual Fund account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.